guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guy channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find and copy Twitter profile link. I know most people don't know how to find their profile link and also copy that in order to share to their friends on another app for them to follow them on Twitter. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing first, you have to open up your X app, which is Twitter. Open that up and click on your profile right above your screen and click on profile. Then you see these three dots right there. These three dots right there. Click on that. Yeah, and click on share. And you can now see the link. Once I copy this, I'll be able to share it to any other app for them to follow me on my Twitter account. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.